Okay guys, so next day we're getting ready to put the motor in. That lip that was right here, I decided not to notch it, and I just came in here with a big hammer and folded it up. Basically it was like down to here and down to about here, and it's all folded up now. I didn't cut it because I didn't want to compromise the seal that's here and possibly have like a leak or something like that, but way more room and it doesn't look too bad. Okay guys, so we got the truck in the shop. Transmission, it's a turbo 350, used one, got it super cheap. Then this is a stall converter, I think it's like a 2600, got that for like 40 bucks. Then we got Transat motor mount kit, part number 9906. They have these slotted mounts right here, and then brand new mounts. I'm going to put these on the shelf. We're just going to use the stock V6 ones because they're exactly the same and they're in good shape. In order to put these on, you have to cut a hole in the frame to get to the bolts to hold the mounts in, which I wasn't too keen on. So maybe later in the future if I need to do that I will, but we're just going to use the stock mounts. The engine is now all painted up, ready to go. This is one of the new mounts. And the nice thing with these, they're slotted. So depending where you want your motor to be, you can move it forward more, move it back. You got a little bit of play here, which is really nice. So we're gonna get the engine stand or engine hoist out, get this off the stand, put the transmission in or on the motor, and then throw it all in the truck. So we're gonna go get the engine hoist out, put it together, and get this off the stand.
White Crow.
What is up guys? Okay, so a little bit of messing around, but we did get the motor and transmission in. It's in there pretty decent. One thing we had to do, hard to see, but on the motor mounts there's two holes. You have to cut the bottom one off completely to use the V6 motor mount, so we went ahead and did that. And it's all the way forward on the Transat mounts, and it's clearing not too bad. One thing I do know that we need to do is that ear right there on the transmission, both sides need to be cut off to allow room for the exhaust to go down. But yeah, it is in. It's nice to finally have it in there. Excited about that. Things are just going to go really fast from here. It's a little odds and ends, but it should be good. So hopefully get back at it in a day or two. Tomorrow's Easter, so I'll be spending time with the family. But yeah, pretty excited. It's coming along good. So maybe we could even have it running here in like a week or so, get it fired up. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one.